So basically, content management systems allow you to create a website pretty fast. So it gives you all the tools. You can use it for blogging, e-commerce, music streaming, a lot of those stuff. So at the click of a button, you can easily even install and deploy WordPress or other content management systems. For the definition of content management systems, it's basically a software application that allows you to create and manage digital content, and which is mostly used for enterprise content management or website content management. WordPress itself can be connected to databases such as MySQL to store your data. And it has a lot of different plugins to, again, to use to according to what you want. Let's say WooCommerce, you can use that plugin for your WordPress to now have an e-commerce website. Also, you can use Elementor plugin to quickly create very nice and clean designs. And there's a lot of other plugins that you can look at. So according to Kinsta.com, as of 2019, 25% of websites are built with WordPress. So that's 1/3 of the World Wide Web. So now, please go ahead and explore WordPress and have fun. Here's an example. Here, when you go to smartandsecurecomputing.org/ClarkNo, which is my personal webpage that is tied with the organization, this is built with WordPress. As you can see, I have the logo here, some of the links. Now I would have this hero image, hero video, hero text. Also have like other banners that I can click and show what I've been up to before. I can also showcase some awards that I've gotten before. I can even put my portfolio here, which when I click, it should go to the respective applications that I built. And these are the talks that I've done before, websites that I've done, the web page which I've done with WordPress as well. When I was starting, these are just basic HTML CSS that was hosted in CodePen. When I was leading the CDU Tech Club, these are the clubs, and basically I was showcasing the clubs and what you can do. And when I had time before, I also invited a lot of industry speakers and recorded their videos as well, and a lot of tips because I love to mentor other students. That's why I've also given them some great meetups to go to, some blogs, some good resources. So as you can see, I even have a footer here, my GitHub link page, my Medium blog, LinkedIn. Don't blog in Medium anymore, I blog in Free Code Camp. Let's see, about page. And let's see, in my about page I can put all of my work experience here and in my skills. This is not updated though. Services, something that I can say that I can done and also like did some paper with it, and a contact page. All of this looks very complicated, but if I access WP-admin would let me manage or edit my website. And that's the, after passing through the login page, I would now have the admin page, which I can edit my pages. As you can see, this was my home page, and then before going there, I've talked about plugins. I can install plugins here. I installed Elementor, you'll see why. When I click edit, this basically says uses the WordPress edit, but because I have a plugin with Elementor, creating pages is way more easier. Because um, with the given edit mode that you have with just the regular WordPress, you have to learn more of the menu, the panel, stuff like that, and you have to do more stuff to generate a cool web page or cool banner. With Elementor mode, as you can see, I also have a side pane menu here, but what's great is I can quickly edit stuff without doing some code. I can delete this section. I can add another divider, let's say. How about I want to add more videos? I can just change this video. I can just click this. Now I change that link. We will now change the preview as well. I can delete this one if I don't like it. And what's good with this is Elementor also comes with a lot of templates that you can download. So in this case, I have downloaded some templates in my WordPress account. And for example, I want a hero image. I can just insert that. As you can see, it generates me with this beautiful hero image and progress bar, which I can easily manipulate. And once I hit update, it should be ready to go. And another thing that it's a responsive, so if I click mobile mode, it should look good in the mobile as well without needing to use CSS to make your web app or website responsive. So there you go. Wondering how did I ever create the web page first in WordPress, right? So one of the ways is you can go to a hosting provider as well, and HostGator is one of it, and this is their control panel called cPanel. Then again, you can still go straightly now to WordPress, but this is how most of the content management systems are being the process being done. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Now once I'm inside, I can see a lot of menus and other pop-ups, and with that, actually using the Dean's account because he gave me the access for that for the Smart and Secure Computing org. And if I ever just want to create a new page, I would just click WordPress installer and select my domain, use the Smart and Secure Computing.org. A while ago I used like a Clark NGO, right? So let's say I create a new one. So click next, click the blog title, Clark, well, and then let's do my same email, terms of service, install, and it's already installing. And as you can see, it gives me my login and password. Don't worry about this. I'm gonna change this. So if I open up a new one, put that, paste that in, logged in. Yes, email looks correct. And then now I go to my dashboard. And when I hit visit site, this is what it looks like. This is your default. And again, you can freely edit this with the edit mode of WordPress, or add a plugin to have more beautiful edits. So aside from that is you can even check, you go to file manager, and now you're asking, okay, you installed the WordPress web page, but where is it located? So basically it lives in HostGator server. HostGator, I mean, when you say server, basically their computer, and just install the WordPress. And as you can see here, you would have the typical directory in WordPress. So if I click public HTML, you would see a lot of the users or the slash uh, name. Like for example, I showed you guys this earlier, and I would see all the files, themes, upgrade. As you can see, plugins, I have the Elementor as well. So everything is being installed here. And some of the files, code base, that's a PHP. Upload that I did. Let's see. And I'll show you the newly built folder as well, which is here. So because I want to delete that, it's very easy. It's just files as well. I can just go delete. Forgot how to delete, but I should just be able to hit delete. Up one level. There you go. I think with this navigation I should be able to delete. And let's see if I refresh that one. Page not found, because basically I just deleted the file in HostGator's computer, which is serving this website. So it looks very complicated, but not really. It's like you installed the web page in your computer, right? But this time around, the web page was installed in HostGator's server, meaning HostGator's computer, and it's just exposing that to the internet, and we can search that with the URL. That's it.